how to make a purchase entry of general items in a RetailSoft. So if you want to go by the mouse, go to the purchase module, click on the purchase entries menu. That purchase entries module will get open. Or else, if you wanted to use the shortcut key, then you can use the keyboard shortcut key Control P as a to open the purchase entry screen. So in this screen, first we will to select the supplier. First we have to select the supplier. See in RetailSoft, very simple. If you want to move ahead, then press Enter key. If you want to go back, press the Escape button. This is the simple key what we are having. So I will press Enter key. So it will show the list of suppliers what I am having. Or else if I'll even I can uh, even I can what I so how to select the suppliers? I can select supplier by typing the name, or I can give the short name, or I can select the supplier by the this supplier code. These are the three ways to select the supplier. If I make the enter key, if I'll make the enter key, so here the list will come. Even I can search over here the supplier list. So for example, Ashirwad will show. This is enter key. So then after you have to enter the invoice number here. Then after invoice date, that if it is a current date, no need to change the date. Or else if you want to change the back date, then simply type the date, the DD, that is for example 1, that is for example 1 dot month, that is month number 4. It will take automatically that year and everything. So even you can set the date by clicking over here, or by you can type the DDMM by format, or you can just type DDMM format, the way I have typed. Okay. Here you have to put the invoice number, which has that sorry invoice amount, total invoice amount, which has been there on the bill the particular supplier has sent to you. So by default, I don't have any bill in my hand, so I'll type in the dummy number over here. Okay. Then after the cursor goes to the code. Then here I can select the atom. I can select the atom by the atom name. I can select by the atom code. I can scan it, or else I can use the short name. Even I can scan the generated barcode as well. So this is the product list screen. Here I will type the sugar. I will make this. This is a general atom entry will be making this sugar. I will select. I will say I want to buy 100 kg sugar. That's 100 kg sugar. Then after that 34 rupees 50 paisa is the cost price. I can set a selling price over here itself. If I want to give the selling price of 40 rupees, I can select the selling price over here. Then after I want to select this tur dal bulk, I can type the tur dal, for example, enter. Here I will say I want to make the purchase 50 kilogram quantity, enter. That cost is 68 rupees 30 paisa, for example. I want to change the selling price. I will change the selling price. This is how we can make the purchase entry. I can add any number of atoms. This is for example, like I want to select. I will type only the atom code. 7 is the atom code for that. If I will type the 7 atom code, that Lex will come on the screen. So that is I want to purchase 5. If I am getting the free somewhere something, then I can put the I am getting a free quantity over here. That's all. So what happens is generally see what happens, it will be having the effect on the landing cost. This is the landing cost it is showing when I put the free. Then after if I want to give the discount, if I am getting the discount of 5% for the on this tur dal, then I put the discount over here. So the, on the basis of that we will be getting this the effects on the landing cost as well as the invoice amount. This is how we can make the purchase bill. Then after up in the purchase bill as well, this is the atom wise discount. Even we can have the bill wise discount as well. Okay, the bill wise discount is likewise. This is the cash percent. So it says if I am getting a 10 rupees discount, I will put the 10 rupees. That cash percentage is 0.0. I can put the discount in a amount. I can put discount in the percentage, either atom wise or it's on the bill wise. Apart from this, if I want to have this in purchase entry, I can add the packing charges. There are on bill few bills that packing charge will be there. So I can put the packing charge over it. 10 rupees packing charge. It will get added to this invoice. So if there is any other charges, or if there is a freight charges, Then we can select the freight charges as well. So what types of freight? It's paid or to be paid. This kind of even entries we can make over here along with the transporter master. This is the way we can make the purchase bill over here. See, now the important aspect of this, now we want to save the bill. Then we can save the by simply pressing the F1 button. Is a save invoice. Okay, save the bill. But right now what I have done, it will show the error because this is a 1200 rupees and the amount I have typed over here manually because I was not having invoice in front of me. So this is then it's a system generated amount. So if I say click on the save button, or if I press the F1 button, then it will say item invoice amount and the payable amount should be the same. Okay, so this is how the cross verification will come. See what happened. We intentionally given this option because sometimes what happens now, everywhere the owner is not going to do the purchase entry, and the people who do the make the purchase entry, they don't bother about whether that invoice is getting matched or not. So if you will not give this kind of restriction, they will not cross verify it. Maybe it is related to the quantity, or it's related to the cost, or it's related to any discount. So they will just make the purchase entry. By doing that way, you can just manage the inventory, but it is difficult to manage the accounts. So this is what we have given the cross verification of the quantity, so that if user makes the mistakes, either putting by the wrong quantity, by putting with the wrong cost, or not making putting any discounts or other charges, something like that, then invoice will never get matched and it will never allow to save the purchase entry. This is how we can save. This is how we can save the purchase. This is right. What is this? This is the 0.35 paisa. I will software will ask you to round up. Even in this atom master, no, if you have not updated any HSN code, then software will say, do you want to update HSN code? If I press yes, then it will go to this. This column is not available right now. I have to enable this column. Then we can update the HSN code over here in the same system only. See, this is the HSN code. These are the HSN code. We have to update it. So we have not updated HSN code. That is where it is showing the error message. Now I have updated HSN code. Apart from this, if I'll save it, now it will ask to round off. See the 35 paisa round off. I will say okay. It will automatically round off this amount. This is how we can make the purchase entry in this purchase entry screen. See, apart from this, next time when you will purchase from the same supplier with the same items, then also in the same purchase entry screen, on same purchase entry screen, what we will be having, you can see. If I'll select the sugar bulk, then software will show in this atom purchase history is there. Here you can see what is the quantity which you have purchased last time and what was the landing cost we were received. So this is where we can see the 3 to 5 three lines we can see over here. Last three rates we can see over here. So if any supplier makes changes in a rate, we can bargain on that. This is how the purchase entry screen and purchase entry operations are there for this general items in RetailSoft.